bus ride. We finally made it here.
Thank goodness.
Thank goodness. Either way, now we're in Italy. Walking down the street. About to do a bus tour. Or no, not a bus tour, a boat tour.
Show them our bus, or our boat.
This is our boat. Right there.
You can see on our right side, like the most beautiful villas on the lake, called the Villa Balnearenga, the Peninsula.
She was Fergie. Yep.
Welvin.
I still have my apple. We just had gelato and it was delicious.
It was delicious.
Me and Garrett got the same.
That happened. Yeah, we got gelato. We ate that. Walked around the city a bit, obviously. That was a lot of fun.
Garrett had pizza and I
We had
the
pizza.
cow.
Pizza. That counts all.
Pizza.
Bye, Bellagio. We made it back to the bus just in time. So it's raining.
Venice.
Venice. We made it to Venice. I guess we're walking to our first monument for now. Start putting you in the vlog more. How about
Hi,
that?
Callie.
How's it going?
Hi, it's great. We're full now.
Say hi to your mom.
Hey, Mom. Dad.
Hi. Everybody.
Hello.
Hey guys, we've been here before. We walked in here earlier. It's like we're walking in circles through Venice. We're trying. Well, it's like you try to get lost, but you end up finding yourself back at the same place you already were. So you're still kind of lost, but not really lost. Walking through dark alleyways.
You kind of gotten lost.
A little bit. We had to ask someone for directions,
Oh, God, so
like multiple times.
keep going.
You didn't get a selfie from Mom?
Yeah.
Let's go, let's do this one. Selfie time. Instagram?
Do a summary last Instagram
everybody say bye to Venice.
Bye, Venice.
Bye, Venice.
Ha deciso di darmi questo nome, ma a me non crea nessun problema.